I personally have geeked out on skincare since before high school, and this $27 appliance has, I know it looks like I'm getting ready to do something other than a facial, doesn't it? This has made such a difference in my skin health, and it's made such a difference in what I spend on facials and skincare too. So this is a high frequency wand, and you can legit get one on Amazon for under 30 bucks. I think I paid $27 for mine, and I've had it for years. I haven't had to replace anything, but even if I did, these tubes, which are glass and they're filled with either argon or neon, or there's all different options, they're pretty inexpensive to replace. And even if you had to replace the whole thing, I mean, 27 bucks, people. I wouldn't hesitate to do that. So I have paid for facials that have used these types of machines in them, and I have paid 200 plus for a single facial where they didn't even use this for more than a minute, okay? I use this for several minutes when I'm being good and I'm on my game a few times a week. And it makes a huge difference in cell turnover, those little wrinkles, just the way my skin looks and feels, and acne. Huge for acne, because even at 42, I still get breakouts. So I'm just gonna show you how this, I mean, it does have an electric current through it. It's a high frequency machine. You can hear it starting up. I have my finger here and ground it, and I can just, see, I have like an acne scar that I'm working on over here. So I'm gonna give that a little bit of extra attention. But I can use it all over my face. I use it on my neck and my chest, and it doesn't hurt. I mean, it's kind of a weird sensation to get used to at first, but so simple and so easy to learn how to use once you get over. It's kind of like, you know, like when you first got your Instant Pot, if you have one, and you were like reading the million warnings on there, and you're like, this is gonna blow up my house, but I really want to make some hard-boiled eggs in here. So you just figure it out and you do it. It's kind of like that. Like you're like, am I gonna shock myself? Am I gonna, like, you know, make sure you have your jewelry off and stuff like that. Don't put it on metal. Like, it's a lot of common sense kind of stuff, but you do need to like read the manual and find a good, there's awesome tutorials. Maybe I'll even film one. But and then there's like different extensions. Like there's this comb that has all the frequencies that go through it, so you can use that on your hair to stimulate your follicles and your hair growth. There's let's see, there's like this spoon-shaped one that's awesome for the under eye area. There is, this one's great for pimples and things. It has like a, you can see it has like a point to it, so you can just really get concentrated high frequency with that. This mushroom tip though is probably my favorite. It has a good surface coverage and it's awesome. So what I love about this is how well it works, how inexpensive it is, and what kind of results it gets. Like, you can go get a facial and they can wash your face and do a little exfoliation, maybe some extractions, which I find to be the most valuable part of a cheap generic facial. They're gonna moisturize you, send you on your way. Relaxing experience, maybe you get a little hand massage, a little neck, foot massage, I don't know. Depends on what you're paying for and where you're going. But when all is said and done, the only thing about that facial that actually lasts for me, for even just a short period of time, is the blackhead extractions. Then you're gonna get to paying another level for like medical grade facials. And that's really all I do anymore. If I'm gonna go get a facial, it's gonna be medical grade, and it's gonna have some kind of a peel, cell turnover, some kind of a lasting effect for the look, feel, and health of my skin. Like, I don't go get facials to relax. I don't go get massages to relax either. I find relaxing benefits to both of them, but I'm there for the results. So that's why I go for deep tissue massages. I'm like, get that crap out of my body, get me feeling good, set me up for the next few weeks until I'm back here again, instead of relax me for an hour and then I go home and tense back up again and find myself with a funky shoulder in my workout the next morning, you know? Like, I'm there for the results. So if you gotta bring the pain for the hour or the 90 minutes, bring the pain. But I'm gonna leave here and I wanna feel good until I come back the next time. Same with facials. I wanna leave and I wanna know that my skin's in good hands until I come back again. And when you own one of these, your skin's in your hands, and so is the cell turnover, the health, the wrinkles, all of that. And it's ridiculously cheap. You can use it on dry, clean skin. You can use it to make your like serums and creams get better absorption. It's amazing. life changer. Get yourself one and try it out.